So in 5, or 5.5, I realized that there was an error that would have messed up our calculations, and I just want to make sure that I'm clear. And this is where your math being neat makes a big difference. Do you see here how my decimal points were not even? And that actually wound up resulting in making some mistakes. It should have looked like, it should not have looked like this. It should have looked like this. 0.05, 12.096, and then adding them together. 5 plus 12.06, which would have given me 72.146. Okay, now why that's important is because that number changes this number to now be 72.146. When we make mistakes in our calculations, and that's going to happen from time to time, you definitely want to not totally erase your mistake and show what you've done, so that you can fix it. Because if you erase it entirely, sometimes you don't even know why you made the mistake, and then you get confused and you can make the same mistake again. You want to be able to follow your process and how you made the mistake. So that was a place where a mistake was, which led to this. Now, some teachers would have just re-recorded this answer and showed you the correct number that should have been there, and not showed you the process by which they made the mistake and how to fix the mistake. But I want you to see that, because you're always going to make mistakes, and the important thing is to be able to catch them, and when you catch them, not to just leave them, but then to go back and to figure out why you made the mistake, fix it, so that when you look back at your notes later, you know what you did wrong. So if I were to change those, just a couple things in my calculation, it now changes my answer very much differently. This number here is no longer correct. My real answer is now 3.1. I had 3 sig figs, round up. 3.11 times 10 to the 24th power, which changes this. And I might even, if I'm, conscientious, and I'm a person who goes back to review my notes, or I want to go back later and work out my problems again to get ready for a test, which is a great way to do things, is to just cover up this and start from here. Or if you just have your knowns and your unknowns, start from there and see if you can solve all your problems. I might even put in a sticky note on the same page and just leave myself a note saying the correct answer is 3.11 times 10 to the 24th molecules of C5H12. And I would probably also stick another sticky note, if you stick it backwards so the sticky side is up. Made mistake with conversion A. And then I'm going to leave that on my page here. Or I could even put another note here. Or I can actually take the sticky note and put it right where the mistake was, so that now I know what my mistake is and how to fix it. All right, all done.